Hey moguls, it's Dr. T here coming to you with another mogul upgrade to help you on your mogul trajectory so you can create your amazing empire, dynasty, and just achieve your higher destiny. So let's dive in because we are doing an upgrade all about empire activation and how you're going to transcend the current reality by building the new one. Because let's face it, moguls, the only way out of this really jacked up matrix that the system has made is for you to create and build your way beyond it to build a better world. Just a reminder, you are tuning into the International Moguls Club channel. I am Dr. Tracy Thomas, and this is your empire activation. And I am your mogul reality maker, your quantum transformation advisor. And let's look at this, because if you're stuck in the loop of low frequency reality, it is not because you are weak. It is because you have yet to build something so much stronger than the frequency that you are in. So we don't fight the system. We transcend it by elevating beyond it and replacing it. So you create your dynasty, you build your empire, you generate your reality field. You live by your own human design and your own purposeful blueprint for reality. And that is a sovereignty code. That's what makes you finally become a mogul reality maker yourself. So let's just do a mogul activation and choose the next phase of your dynasty or empire today. It can be one small thing that you are going to add, build, grow, address, develop. Is it a brand? Is it a program, an offering, a structure, a new service, a platform? What can you develop and build and just add into this world with a new contribution, just in that direction? Okay, all we need to do is have you initiate it, name it, create it, just move in the direction of building it. Because you are what is the world is waiting for. And whatever is going on in the world where we want it to be better, it is requiring us to build it. We're not looking at these people who everybody's waiting for to change the world and make it better. We already know what they do. It's time to do what you do. It's time to do what we do. And as a mogul community, we are here to create a new reality. So say this with power, moguls. I transcend by building my empire. I create my dynasty. And by the way, I am my empire. Let's seal this upgrade in. Make sure you like the video to be clear. I am on board with this. Subscribe to the channel to get all your empire and dynasty codes. Your mogul making immersive circuitry that comes to you and creates more wealth flow. If you need more support, go into the description. Check out the tools for building more of your mogul infrastructure. And share this with some other empire builder, some aspiring mogul, somebody that you know wants to be a dynasty creator. And in the comment section, hashtag mogul moves, and let's declare you are finally in your empire phase, moguls. Okay, your empire is the practical path to living your purpose and potential. It is not just building a company and going to work. It is a transformational path that is literally created for you. And if you are called to create it, it is your transformation. It is so much different than what people think it is, because we were taught in slave school to be slaves. This is not what that is. Your empire is your transformation. All right, moguls, you got this. Let's get you into this creation. As you know, there are more mogul up videos to get you on your path to make sure you're fully operating in that circuitry, receiving wealth flow, flowing with the flow frequency. Check them out, and I'll see you in the next upgrade. Take care, moguls. Bye-bye.